The Nike Air Max 95 is officially stepping onto the golf course, marking an exciting new chapter for one of Nike's most iconic designs. Originally created by Sergio Lozano in 1995, the Air Max 95 is now reworked for golf as part of its massive 30th anniversary celebration. This version keeps the signature Air Max cushioning, delivering comfort that lasts through a full 18 holes. The upper has been refined to better handle on-course movement while maintaining the classic look fans love. The biggest upgrade is found underfoot, where traditional road rubber is replaced with a rugged serrated outsole. This spikeless setup provides strong traction without sacrificing versatility. Just like other Nike golf adaptations, the Air Max 95 Golf is designed to transition smoothly from the fairway to the clubhouse. The White Light Graphite colorway has been revealed through official images. Expect the Nike Air Max 95 Golf to release on Nike and select retailers by May 2026.